Respondent number 4 recommended the proposal for CRZ clearance subject to certain conditions. This was even after finding that there was no provision in the 2011 notification but taking inspiration from the provisions of the 2006 notification. On 6 February 2018, the 2011 notification was amended by the insertion of paragraph 4.3. Based on the said amendment, the state authorities' recommendations were called on 27 December 2018. The storage facility was inspected by the DCZMA, the Tamil Nadu State Pollution Control Board. It would appear intimated the third respondent the aspect for not obtaining prior clearance. There was no other violation. Accordingly, the state authority recommended the proposal. It is on this basis the first respondent granted post facto clearance by proceeding. The appellant obtained consent to operate from the Pollution Control Board on 8 April 2019. The fifth respondent filed the appeal before the NGT, and the NGT has allowed application as already noticed. The appellant company is a sister concern of the appellant in the first appeal. It has also constructed a storage facility being engaged in the business of edible oil for the purpose of storing the imported edible oil at a distance of nearly 600 meters from the location of the storage tank of the appellant in the first appeal. It has also drawn a pipeline from the storage tank to the facility it has put up for storing edible oil for transmission to its factory. We must mention here that the idea was to import edible oil, unload it at Chennai port, take the edible oil by a pipeline to the storage facility, and from there transmit the same by tanker lorries to their factories wherein the manufacturing activities were being carried out. The issues arising in both the appeals are common, and hence we discuss the issue with reference to the first appeal. The silent feature of the order passed by the first respondent when the site falls in CRZ 2. 25 number of storage tank have been installed. 3 permission has been obtained from the Chennai Port Trust, NHAI, and the Harbour Management Committee for the project will reduce traffic to the Chennai port. Trust and 5 as per CRZ notification storage of non-hazardous cargo such as edible oil can be established only in notified ports.